What is up, guys? Kylie Breadwinner's back at it again with another video, and today we got the Munchpak. So today I just got home from McDonald's and my Munchpak was here, and I ordered this Munchpak about maybe 2-3 days ago. If you guys don't know what Munchpak is, it is just a variety of snacks from around the world, pretty much, that you get sent to you. So this is what I'm looking at. It says, follow us on Snapchat. Made with love by Jose. Thanks, Jose. Alright, let's get right into this. So first we got Sangari. Looks like a bottled grape drink from Japanese, China, some type of place like that. We got these Panda. They look like chocolate Cheerios, maybe. I think they're chips, chocolate chips, maybe. Yeah, chocolate product Master Bear Cracker. I guess they're chocolate crackers. So that's cool. Hot masala. Got some Snackers from, I don't know where these are from. Maybe Dubai? Yeah, oh no, Pakistan. Alright. We got some Flamin' Hot crackers from Pakistan. There are a couple of these dark chocolate healthy grain bars. So this might be from the US. Different kinds of candy. Got some cattails, caramel apple. Also got some maguito. I think these are like fruit roll-ups in the US. They're maguitos, and I want to say, yeah, Mexico. Alright. I don't know what this is. It's like another product, grain. I think it's from, actually, I'm not really sure where it's from. It's foreign languages. Fire Twist. It's out here from the US. Some of this stuff I've seen before, some of this stuff I haven't. High Chews. These are like some type of candies. High Chew Bites. I got some creative stuff in here, guys. Hello Panda. It's like crackers with chocolate filling. Black Cow, chewy chocolate caramel candy. There are quite a bit of candies in here. Some Parley G crackers. This thing is jam-packed, guys. What are these? I don't know what these are, but they look like waffle chips, maybe? Waffle mate? Not really sure. From like, I don't know where that is from. What is this down here? Devora Pigui. Look at that, guys. Kind of looks like a fruit roll-up or something. That's sick. I want to have these out here in the US. At least that I've seen. Peach flavored Sour Patch Kids. That's crazy. Those gummy chips. It's from the US. Gummy chips are like the McDonald's fried gummy worms things. We got, what is this? Knife candy. I don't know what this is. Some knife candy. Again, never seen it. That's sick. You got red, white, and blue Pop-Tarts. Yeah, I've never seen them before. A few more things. We got some more Panda crackers. I don't know what the name of these are. We got some chocolate flavored chips, or chocolate filled chips, and a London roll. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and favorite. And if you guys do, if I get a lot of good feedback on this and see you guys do it like this, I might get a couple more of these boxes just for you guys. So thanks, hope you guys like the review, and peace.